to Chord on guitar. So we have Fontaines DC, I Love You. So what a great song from Fontaines. A very special sound here for them. Yeah, it's pretty much the same chord progression through the entire song here. So let's start right away. No need for any capo. And we have 5 chords to handle here. So let's go over first the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next is G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then comes C. So third on A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have the final chord, which is a B7, but with an F sharp in the bass. So that means you bar all strings here on the 2nd fret. And the rest will be 4th on D and 4th on B. All right, so that's the B7 with F sharp in the bass. So there you have your 5 chords. We will start to look at how you handle these chords first, and I showed you in the introduction of this tutorial how you play some notes here that belongs. That is just kind of extra material. The main part here will be the chords and the strumming here. So the chord progression will be in that order we just went through the chords: the E minor, the G, the A minor, the C, and the last chord, the B7 with F sharp in the bass. That is optional. If you listen to the bass uses the F sharp here, like a transition into the next round. So that is optional. I think it's cool to bring that in sometimes, and sometimes you can just go with the C. So it's up to you there, but just let's look at the strumming. So it will be pretty much one strumming for 2 chords. So here you need to think as pair of chords. So we will look at the transition from E minor to G, and the same will be from A minor to C. And if you choose to go with the B7, then I'm gonna show you that after this transition here from A minor to G, which we're gonna look at right now. All right, so that part sounds like this. Okay, so down, 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 down. All right, so it will be for E minor, total of 4 downs. So that. So it's down, 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 down. So the last 2 downs come a little bit faster together. Okay. Then you switch to G and play down, 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 down. So here you need to think first 1 down, then a group of 3 fast downs, a short break, and then a group of 3 fast downs again. So the G consists of 7 in total of downs, okay? So down, 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 down. So if we look at the E minor first now, down, 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 then switch to G, down, 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 down. So slowly together, it sounds like this. Right? And the same goes from the A minor to C. That will be okay. So E minor and A minor is played in the same way, and G and C is played in the same way. Okay, so one strumming for this chord progression will sound like this: E minor, G, A minor, and C. and so on. Okay, so if you choose to bring in this B7 with F sharp in the bass, you will play that right after the C, and that means you play the A minor as it is, and then you shift to C. And for C, if you choose to play with the B7, you're gonna play just for C the down, 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 down. So play first one down, and then the group of 3 downs. And after that, you switch immediately to the B7 and play the last group of 3 downs on the B7. So slowly from the A minor to C and B7, that will sound like this. So A minor as it is, down, 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 and C, down, 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 and B7, down, down, down. So if we play a couple rounds with the B7 included, it will sound like this. So that is the chord progression and the strumming. Now let's just have a minute for the last thing, which is this melody. And this is played a little bit irregular. So this is just a pattern I can give you, and it's not played exactly this all the time. So it's kind of more on a feeling here. And there's a lot of kind of melodies and instruments going on here in the background. So that gives us this special feeling for Fontaines, I Love You. So that's the greatness of this song. So like I said, just a basic pattern, and you can play with it if you want here. So it's of course based upon the same chords, so we will not include the B7 here. It's not necessary, and I don't think that is any change here with the melody. So it's based upon the E minor, G, A minor, and C. So what you do here, you can bar the 7th fret here from the G string and down, so the 3 strings here, G, B, and E string. You can bar that on the 7th fret, and you're gonna play the open E string together with the 7th E string, and then you play 7th B and 7th G. So like 3 times. So 7E, 7B, 7G, 3 times. Then you're gonna play the next part, which is based on the G. You can still have this bar here on the same spot, and you can just add the next bass note, which is based on the G, and that is the 5th fret on D string. So you can bar it, or like have it with all your fingers here like this. And you add the bass string, the new bass string, 5th fret on D string. Same amount of times, 3 rounds of the strings, E, B, and G. And then you shift to the A minor part. The grip will be like this. So you hold on the 9th fret here on the G string, the 7th on B, and 7th on E. You play the 7th on E together with the open A now, which is the A minor. And the pattern goes the same here. 7th on E, then 7th on B, and 9th on G. Like 3 times. And then we have the final part left. You can go to this group here. And that will be 8th fret here on the E string. That's a new bass, based on the C chord. You're gonna play that together with the 7th fret E string. And then you continue with the 7th fret B string and 7th fret G string. And you play that for 3 rounds. 7E, 7B, 7G, 7E, 7B, 7G. So that's just a basic pattern for this melody. I'm gonna play that for you a little bit slow so you really can understand what we're playing. So let's go. So yeah, that pretty much is what we're gonna cover here on Fontaine's DC I Love You. So good luck with this one. Don't forget, if you cannot handle the medley, it's just kind of an extra material here. Go with the chords and the strumming. That is pretty much what makes this song here. So good luck with this one, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, play tune.